Today, let's talk about ISSY and CO's newest release. Hey guys, Kenny here and welcome back. Super duper excited ako guys kasi again, we are going to be talking about 2 new products na nilabas ng ISSY and CO. Also, can I just say na sobrang smart and fun yung ginawa nilang campaign dito sa mga bagong products. Kasi diba what they did was parang in-split nila into acts yung pag-release ng product. Like for this one, diba, ang tawag sa kanya is Act 1 Ode to the Sea. And then for this one, which is yung newest lip product that they have, it is called Act 2 Ode to the Sun. And personally, I love the idea kasi diba, it gives you something to look forward to. Talagang aabangan mo kung ano yung mga susunod. And also, yung narrative and theme ng bawat campaign, super on point. I really like and I love the fact that yung mga products talagang connected dun sa campaigns na nilalabas nila. And of course, as always, sobrang on point nung PR nila. Unfortunately, I don't have na yung PR package ng Act 1, but this is how the Act 2 PR package looks like. The products basically is inside this box and once you open it, ganito siya. Look at the photo, grabe diba? Sobrang editorial and high quality. It is so freaking stunning. Tapos once you lift this, of course, inside you will see the product. Product details are written sa gilid. Ito yung mga lip products. And also, meron din kasamang sunnies inside. Always and forever a big fan of ISSY and CO's PR packages. Again, Act 1 is Ode to the Sea, and for this, we have the Phyto-Complex Skin Mist. And this one cost 499 pesos for 50 ml. I don't know about you guys, but personally, I enjoy using face mist, and this one from ISSY and CO, I really like using kasi you can use it in so many ways. You can use this one like a toner bago kayo mag-serum or kaya mag-sunscreen. Basically, to make it short, pwede nyo siyang i-incorporate sa skincare routine. And also, before and after makeup, you can also use this as well. But again, just an FYI, this is a face mist, hindi siya setting spray, so keep that in mind. And for this one, I think what sets it apart compared sa mga nakikita nating iba or nagamit na natin before is of course yung quality and ingredient na meron siya. ISSY and CO's Skin Mist kasi contains biophytex. Meron siyang combination ng skin-loving ingredients and botanical oils, and 2 of which are cica and panthenol, which are 2 ingredients na sobrang popular ngayon when it comes sa skincare. Shake muna natin before i-apply. Then after that, of course, spray lang natin siya all over the face. Also, can I just say how much I love the scent kasi sobrang refreshing and ang bango niya. Even yung feeling niya actually kapag nilagay sa skin, sobrang refreshing. I also love how fast absorbing it is and yung hydration na binibigay niya sa skin, instant nyo talagang mafe-feel. Kaya even if hindi ako naka-makeup, actually, this one ginagamit ko siya, ina-apply ko sa face. I also love how fine the mister is because it distributes the product evenly. Even for sponges, before blending your foundation or concealer, you can use this mist to dampen it. To save time off-cam ko na tinapos yung aking makeup, and para matanggal yung pagka-powdery ng aking face, of course, gagamitin ko tong ISSY and CO Skin Mist. And yes, kailangan naka-shades para hindi malagyan yung mata. And that's it. All we have to do now is go back sa ating sponge tapos i-press natin yung mist sa ating skin. So yeah, overall for me guys, feeling ko naman obvious na gusto ko siya. Diba? Half na lang yung content. For those of you na naghahanap ng face mist na sobrang perfect for everyday, yung pwede nyo gamitin before makeup, after makeup, and also pwedeng i-incorporate sa skincare. This one from ISSY and CO, you guys might want to check out. It's very hydrating, very refreshing. Yung mist niya, diba, sobrang pino, kaya maganda siyang ipang-spray, maganda yung distribution. And of course, yung mga actives and ingredients na meron siya, diba? Super nice sa skin. Next up, we have Act 2 Ode to the Sun, which I am super duper excited to try. Probably one of the smartest makeup releases by far. Diba? Who would have thought? Kasi diba, aminin natin, when it comes sa skincare, specifically sa sunscreen, if there is one area sa face natin na hindi natin nalalagyan and also nananeglect is of course yung lips. Sobrang nipis pa naman ang skin natin sa lips, kaya sobrang smart talaga nung idea na mag-release ng lip product na merong SPF. That way, diba, masisiguro talaga natin na buong face natin yung protected sa sun. And the best thing about ISSY and CO's Solar Balm actually is that meron siyang 6 UV filters and combination or hybrid ng physical and chemical sunscreen. And yung total of SPF na meron siya is SPF 30 PA+++. Kaya sigurado talaga na once you use it, protected yung lips nyo sa harmful UVA and UVB. As for ingredients naman, meron siyang 2 types of oil para masiguro talaga na nourished and also hydrated yung ating lips. This one cost 349 pesos by the way, and it comes in 2 finishes. And that is natural and glow finish. Again, these are lip balms, kaya once you apply them sa lips, i-expect nyo na sheer yung kanyang finish. They are also meant to be sheer anyway so that pwede yung i-layer multiple times to get full protection and also para ma-maintain yung pagka-natural ng finish. And also yung color niya guys, again, these are sheer kaya yung kulay niya sa akin will be different sa inyo kaya keep that in mind as well. Dito tayo mag-start sa natural finish. This one is Petal and it is described as a cool, delicate rose. Such an amazing shade. Sobrang perfect for everyday. hindi intimidating, and saktong-sakto lang yung kulay na binibigay niya, di ba? Sobrang feminine ng kulay, I like it. This one is Undone and yung description is cool rose beige and I love it kasi sobrang close ng kulay niya sa lips ko. This one is like my perfect MLBB kasi sobrang natural looking niya sa akin. This one I can see myself abusing. But in a good way, of course. On my lips is Sherbet or Sherbet, I'm not sure. And this one is a warm nude peach color. And for me, I like this one as well. Ganda ng pagka-peach kasi it's not too orange and sobrang feminine, sobrang soft tignan. May look at that, diba? Sobrang fresh tignan. This one is Melodrama and it is described as a neutral pink mauve. And I love this as well, guys. Oh my god. Such an amazing shade. Actually, lahat ng shade maganda. Walang tapon. This one as well, guys. Gusto ko siya kasi ganito yung mga shade na favorite ko. Yung ginagawang juicy and plump yung lips. Very supple, ganun. Sobrang nice ng finish and formula niya. Perfect for everyday. Sobrang natural looking kasi diba, it's not super matte and hindi rin naman sobrang shiny or glossy. Again, perfect for everyday and sobrang perfect niya especially if kayo yung klase ng tao na mahilig sa clean girl makeup or very no makeup look. This time, let's try the glow finish. On my lips is Playdate, which is basically a berry mauve shade, at least to me ha. And I love it! Oh my god, this is so pretty! For those of you na naghahanap ng light berry shade, this is so nice, guys. Perfect for everyday. I like this! Oh my god. Bloom looks like this on the lips and this is another shade that I know magagamit ko ng madalas. Ito siya kapag nasa bullet, para may pagka-rosy yung color niya, which I love, and yung kind of color nga na madalas kong gamitin, kaya this one for sure, madalas ko siyang gagamitin. Such a feminine shade. Ang ganda. It is so good as well. Honestly, walang tapo na shade ha. This one is Promiscuous and wow, this is also amazing. And for this one, as you can see, mas meron siyang tint. Kaya if you're looking for something na talagang mag-show up, I think this is perfect. Berry shade siya. But the good thing is that hindi siya yung sobrang dark, kaya hindi intimidating suotin. If you have darker skin, morena kayo, this will look amazing on you guys. This one naman is Sleek, another shade na sobrang universal and very flattering sa kahit anong skin tone. Medyo intimidating lang siya dito sa bullet, but once you apply it sa lips, as you can see, sobrang nice ng shade. This is also good. Like, what the hell? Walang tapon. I mean, you guys know I love glossy lip products, kaya this one is definitely right up my alley. Obviously, in terms of finish, glow is more shiny compared sa natural. In terms of pigmentation, as you guys can see, si glow finish, mas pigmented siya compared doon sa natural finish. For those of you na kagaya kung mahilig gumamit ng lip gloss or lip oils, this is definitely perfect kasi it gives that kind of effect. I mean, di ba look at my lips? Sobrang supple niyang tingnan and also shiny and glossy. Actually, subukan din natin siyang parang lip primer. Kita, diba, okay siya underneath a lip product. Whether yung glow man or natural finish, that way, diba, sigurado talaga na protected pa din yung lips niyo sa sun. Kahit ibang product yung gamit. Anyway, guys, that is it for today's video. Again, if you're looking for a skin mist na sobrang perfect for everyday, yung pwede nyo gamitin kahit hindi kayo naka-makeup, and also yung pwede nyo i-incorporate sa skincare routine. You guys might want to check out ISSY and CO's Phyto-Complex Skin Mist. Sobrang hydrating and refreshing sa skin. ISSY and CO's Solar Balms, you definitely need to get your hands on. Definitely exceeded my expectations and super happy kasi part na siya ng collection ko. Again, if you're looking for something na sobrang natural looking sa lips, go with the natural finish. And then kung yung hanap nyo naman is yung gagawing plump and juicy yung lips, go with the glow finish. In terms of favorite shades, eto yung aking mga picks. This one is Bloom. Second is Promiscuous. This one is Petal. And fourth is Melodrama. To be honest guys ha, all of them are worth giving a try. So overall, super happy ko with this new ISSY and Co collection. And as always, ISSY and Co did not disappoint. I really love how they come up with new ideas every time and also super innovative, kaya nakaka-happy. Every time na may pasabog sila, diba, they always stand out, kaya sobrang nakakatuwa. And of course, as always, lahat ng product links will be listed sa description box and yung mga favorite kong shade, lalagyan ko na lang ng asterisk para mabilis nyo makita. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.